Hey guys, Jason from Advanblack. Today we're going to be installing our mini trunk color matched on our lowrider ST. Okay guys, when you purchase our mini trunk, you're going to have to also purchase one of our mounts, and this is a 2-up. You can also do it in a 1-up for a solo rider, but today we're going to do it in a 2-up. Check it out. Alright guys, if you already have the docking hardware, you'll be good to go, but if not, make sure you in your purchase you have the docking hardware. You're going to need to install that next. The hardware does come with 2 different size bolts. If you're running saddlebags, you need a little bit longer bolt, so it does come with that. We're not having saddlebags on this bike today, so we're going to be running the shorter bolts and the hardware. Check it out. Alright guys, when you get our hardware, you're going to have 2 different types of docking hardware. You're going to have one with a plastic cover on this side, and then one with a metal one. The plastic one goes to the rear. Make sure that it's mixed match from your docking hardware. Alright guys, we finished installing our color match mini trunk on our lowrider ST. If you want some extra space on the back of the bike or a nice sissy bar, this is the idea for you.